we're switching it up today. Oops, let's clean that. We're switching it up today. There's no Instacart grocery haul. There's no Aldi's grocery haul. Today, we actually have to go into the store. Mask up. Okay. And it's a winter storm. You've probably heard it's going on all over the United States, seemingly. And in the South, we're not that prepared for this type of thing, so it's like a big deal. So though the grocery store is close, the challenge is my car hasn't been moved in days and it's snow on it, so we're gonna have to get that off. Then we're gonna have to get out of here, and it doesn't look like they salted the driveways or salted the driveways. I'm not nervous. I've driven in snow before. You know, I'm not from the north, but in my old car, I driven in snow before and I got stuck. And this car is way better than my old car. Shout out to my old car. So yeah, I just got off work. Let's get to it. Let's see if they even have anything in the grocery store. Because like I said, it's a snowstorm. Let's go. Step 1, successfully drive to the grocery store.
Yo, this shit is crazy. I'm just an extra on this vlog, but this shit is crazy. It's still snowing. Never seen nothing like this in my life. She said, hold up the line, but clean your basket. Be respectful to your cleanliness.
Okay. I'm just here for the groceries. Assuming it's let's get some mandarins. You want some little oranges? Are you spilling vlog? These avocados cheaper. She's a avocado finder. Damn, it's so damn little. Okay, that's got potential. You're showing out, babe.
What?
Honey, I'm finna start cooking with onions. I think you get a big one because, honey, I don't think. Oh, but you know what? I gotta put it. Yeah. I need to get some organic potatoes to make fries.
Do we want stubby fries?
What's your opinion, babe?
Should we go non-organic and get regular size, or stay organic and get smaller? Stay organic and get smaller.
I love when you should healthy. You remind me of my journey. I love it. For $3, baby, I need a long one. Oh, is that it?
For $3, I need a long one.
Collards and turn up. I'm just gonna do straight collards, baby. Keep it simple. 2 bundles is always enough. Bundles is always This I'm talking about. Make me feel like I'm stepping out on faith. Come closer. When I get my greens, I need them to have a variety. We just can't do spinach. We need spinach and spinach and spinach and. Yes, okay. Oh, I need some lime. How much are those limes? $3.99? Oh yeah, 1 for 89 cents. Okay. God, they're pretty good with my memory. All right, let's proceed on. Why y'all didn't leave me none? I don't want this other shit. Okay. When your top choice is out, you move around. Get the kind you like, man. Even though they all taste alike. Oh
You're
Lord.
gonna get the kind I like.
I don't want that to fly. This is gonna be like $100-something.
Cause you just balling, babe. There's no budget when it comes to you today, honey.
I'm treating myself.
Treat yourself.
At least I got some extra firm left. Oof. don't come back and say I'm allergic to oat milk because, honey, I drink it like water. Okay, so that's a little option right there. See, I'm trying to get in bulk because we don't know. They're trash. It expires this month. Petty. Should be free. Like the one I get from Starbucks. Dragon fruit refresher.
Don't it?
Okay, tortilla chips, and garlic. Literally. Oh, I like your flavor. Sea salt and California. I would want to eat those.
Oh, you wouldn't eat the white cheddar?
Yeah.
Oh, you know. If you want to get it. Okay, so it was $145.42, and we have 3 more items to get. So hopefully the next grocery store has them. We were hoping to get everything from here. Unfortunately, that was not the case. bitching out the cameraman right now, y'all, because she hungry. What the? Thank you for your apologies. I'm just doing what I can for the family. I'm doing what I can to feed the family.
Okay, so I'm going to end the vlog here because my attitude is bad. I'm hungry and I don't feel like doing a whole haul. So I apologize about this energy drop. I need to eat and get these groceries up so I can proceed on my evening. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little, you know, I guess, shop with me in a snowstorm vlog. If I picked up, I'm going to go through the footage, hopefully. If it was something new I picked up, hopefully I got it on camera for you all. If not, make sure you come back to my channel because I'm sure if it's new, I'm going to talk about it in another video. So make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.